Hello, hello. I hope everybody's doing well. Well, today I'm gonna do my etch with the Citristrip, if that is correct. I have never done this. I have seen so many people talking about it in different blogs. So I really want to try it and see if it works. This is something to take the paint out of here. And again, I haven't tried this, and I'm really ambitious with the design that I'm gonna put in here. So we will see if it works. You also will need some permanent vinyl. This is not the best quality. I recommend using a better quality than this, but this is what I have in hand right now. And you will need a little scrub. Doesn't have to be this one, but don't get a metal scrub. That's it. Just don't get a metal scrub. That way you don't scratch your cup. That's not the point of it. I know that we will take the paint out, but it would look really ugly if your metal it's scratched. So don't use a metal one. And this is what we're gonna use. So let's jump into the computer to show you the design that I have, and how we have to design, kind of thing. So again, let's jump into the computer. So here is my design. I know I'm ambitious. I don't know how my little cartoons are gonna be in there, but I'm gonna figure it out because I want them there, but I don't know if it's gonna work. This is the first time that I'm doing this, so that's why I said that I'm really ambitious about this. But anyways, I know the names are gonna work out. So here we go. You can do whatever you want, but this is my design. I'm gonna press make it. I need to change my mat size. For some reason it keeps changing on me. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave some space there, and I'm gonna leave some space for my little cartoons. I'm gonna leave space, that way when I cut it I have some kind of space that I'm gonna leave in. And here we go. We're gonna press continue, and I'm gonna select premium vinyl, and that's it. Let's go to the machine, and I will show you guys what we're gonna do there. And like you see, this is a complete disaster already, and I told you guys that this vinyl is not the best quality. Well, now you can see that it is a worst quality ever. At least for this, it doesn't really work. So as you can see, I'm not gonna do that design, but the names I can do it, but the vinyl is so cheap that it actually went through my vinyl. So I am gonna try and find another vinyl if I have any that I can use for this. So I'm gonna do it again, but just the names, that way I don't waste more vinyl. I hate wasting vinyl. And anyways, so learn from my mistakes and use a better vinyl than me. well, here is my cups. I had a great time doing this. I left the crisp strip on it for 3 hours, specifically 3 hours, and it worked out. This one, it came out pretty good. This is the first time that I'm doing this. So I scratched till I took the paint out pretty much. And this one, it came out pretty good. This one, I noticed that the end, the strip gel, it went on the bottom of the vinyl, so that's why, you know, it got me right here. But other than that, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not that bad. This is the first time that I'm trying this, so to be my first time, it's not that bad. And it's actually really easy. Again, you need a great permanent vinyl for this. Don't use nothing cheap. Don't use nothing that it comes up. Sadly, I didn't have a good vinyl for this. But other than that, it was easy. I do like it. I may try it again, like another designer or something. But I liked it. It's not that bad. It's actually really easy. And if you don't have, a sublimation printer or anything like that you want to, create cups, this is easy to do. So if you like this video, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.